Hey Alex, how are you? I saw your comment. Maybe it's just hard to find. Maybe it's in your drive and you just need some help finding it, hopefully. It's okay. Hopefully we can figure it out. I'm gonna give you guys time. Oh wait, are you talking about the video or are you talking about the classwork assignment? Good morning, Mr. Casamento. Oh, the video. Um, Okay. What did you use to record it? Oh, okay, that's a good thing. I don't like it when you guys lose your work because that's like your time and stuff. Hi Alana, hey Jaden. Good morning. You use the camera on the computer. Um so it's I don't know what video software is on the student Chromebooks. Is it the VGA stuff? The one with the cone? Looks like a construction cone. No? Okay. Okay. Let's get started and we can talk a little bit about it later. Today's class, we're going to be giving you guys time to complete 3.2 because no one has submitted since last time, and I need submissions before we can analyze and discuss the results. No problem. When you finish with 3.2, and we've gone over it as a class, you're going to end up completing the practice problems 1 through 5 for the lesson, but not yet. Please do not do those yet. We need to go over 3.2 first. Let's get started with the warm-up. There are 3 questions here, and this one is starred because I would like to know your method or reasoning behind your answer. The first 2, you either remember or you look up, but this one, I'm interested in your strategy. So how many inches in a foot, how many feet in a yard, and how many inches in 1 yard? Please chat your answers. And remember that for this one, I'd like to hear your thought process. Okay, just waiting for you guys to give me the answers. Remember to chat your answers. I'll take attendance. It looks like we have Alex, Jaden, and Alana here. Okay, I just need your answers, guys. As soon as you have them, please. Nobody has an answer yet, guys? Who's with me? This is really strange. You guys usually answer right away. We have one answer so far. 36 inches in a yard. Alex, well, now we do Mr. Casamento. We have Alex who answered. Alex, explain how you found 36 inches in a yard. Jaden, Alana, if you're here, please tell us if you agree or disagree. And then I still need to hear about those two answers too, okay? Come on, guys. Okay, you guys are still kind of quiet. Jaden, Alana, I need to hear if you agree with Alex. Alex, I'm waiting to hear if you have a strategy that you could explain on how you got 36 inches in 1 yard. Jaden, Alex says that there's 36 inches in a yard, which is one of our warm-up questions. I need to know if you agree or disagree with him and why. I'm also looking for the strategy on how to find 36 inches. And I'm also still waiting for the answers to these two questions, guys. This is just a warm-up, so I really need you guys to focus and participate, please. This is our regular class. It's not office hours. Mondays and Thursdays are our regular class, so I really need you guys to participate. You do agree. Okay, can you tell me why or offer a strategy since Alex didn't? 12 inches in what? You put a strategy? Double check because I don't see anything. All I see is 36 inches in a yard. That was your last one. So just double check the chat. If maybe it didn't send and you could resend it or copy and paste it because I don't see it here. Okay, so there's 3 feet in a yard. Okay, 3 feet in a yard. What was the 12 inches, Jaden? 12 inches in what? Jaden, it looked like your answer for 12 inches was cut off. So 12 inches in what? And how do we get 36 inches in a yard? I still don't see that strategy there if you try to send it again. Mr. Casamento, are you seeing something that I'm not? Because I'm not seeing a strategy anywhere in chat. You guys still here? Okay, cool. So I got the 3 feet in a yard from Jaden. This was not clear because it was an incomplete response. And Alex, I'm still waiting for the strategy because I don't see anything in chat. I put the strategy like 3 times. Okay, do you see it in chat? Because I don't, and I don't know why. How about Mr. Casamento or Jaden? Do you see what he typed? Because it's weird because I'm seeing these responses, Alex, but I'm not seeing your strategy, which is kind of weird. Like I saw you said 36 inches in a yard, and then I saw I put a strategy. I put it again. Yeah, I put the strategy like 3 times. Yes, like so I see those responses, but I'm not seeing the strategy. And it doesn't look like Jaden is seeing it either. Jaden, since you're back with us, dude, you said there's 12 inches, but you didn't finish the sentence. 12 inches in what? Are you guys still there? Alana, Jaden, Alex, anyone? Hey, Emily, how are you? All right, Mr. Casamento. Hey, Mr. Casamento, have you seen any chat messages from Alex that say what his strategy was? Because he said he put it like 3 times in chat, but Jaden and I didn't see it. Emily, right now, we're answering the questions for the warm-up. So far, Alex and Jaden are presenting that there's 36 inches in a yard, but I'm waiting for a strategy and if people agree. So like you and Alana are here that could say if you agree or disagree with 36 inches in a yard. Jaden said that there are 3 feet in a yard, so I need to know if you agree with that. Okay, thanks, Mr. Casamento. I appreciate you checking. I don't know why we don't see it. Maybe if I do pop out, maybe it'll show more messages. I guess it's a possibility. Let me pop it out. No, oh, okay. Jaden says that he asked Siri. So you asked Siri how many feet in a yard, and it came up with 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay. All right, so that's cool. Now, how about the 12 inches one? You started off by saying there's 12 inches, but you didn't finish the sentence. 12 inches in what? All right, let's close this because it didn't. I forgot how to do that. Do I just exit out and restore? There it is. Okay. Yeah, popping it out, Alex, didn't allow me to see extra messages, so I'm sorry about that. What's C3? All right, where are you guys? Because this is taking abnormally long. You guys usually finish this pretty quick. Homeroom finished this like immediately so that we were able to get into the task and give you guys time for it since no one submitted it. So we really need to get past this warm up, guys. Come on. Guys, the whole class time cannot be a warm up. I need you guys to focus. Whatever it is you're doing, you need to stop and attend to the class, please. I can't say that enough. We've got literally 27 minutes left of class and we're still in a warm up. How many inches are in a foot? You guys told me there's 3 feet in a yard. You told me there's 36 inches in 1 yard. I need to know how you guys find that. So Alex, whatever you're doing to put it, it's not registering. So can you just type it like you would type a normal chat message? Thank you. Jaden, I've asked you like 4 times, man. 12 inches in what? Because you said 12 inches before. 12 inches in what? I need you to stay with us. Yes, I saw that, and that's not a problem. That was for the 3 feet in a yard. I'm looking for a complete sentence because you only gave me part of an answer when you said 12 inches. 12 inches for what, man? Okay, so Jaden, one of our chat rules is we're not doing things in all capital letters. That's considered yelling. All right, so I get it. You're saying in a foot, I get it, but you didn't type that, so I can't assume. I have to go by what you guys tell me. There are 12 inches in a foot. Thank you. 3 feet in a yard, and your strategy was to multiply 3 by 12. I think you mean to get 36. Since there are 12 inches in a foot and 3 feet in a yard, I just multiplied 3 by 12 and I got, yes, I could see it now. And I think you guys mean 36, to get 36. Okay, thank you. Now we're getting somewhere. I appreciate that. I can't assume what you guys mean. I have to go by what you say. So thank you for that. I appreciate it. It took abnormally long, but hey, this is what we do, right? Okay, now I'm gonna kind of break down what you guys just said a little bit. Because a lot like unit rates, people are not exactly always confident in what they're supposed to divide. Same thing happens with unit rates when you go back and forth and you compare them. Sometimes you're just not sure what you should multiply or divide. So we started with a yard, and you guys told me that Siri said there's 3 feet. 3 feet exist in 1 yard, right? Now, fortunately, Siri is giving you the accurate information. And then you guys told me that there is, for every foot, there's 12 inches. Well, if this is supposed to represent a yard, then all you have to do, like you guys said, you could do repeated addition, or you guys said, I'll do 12 times 3, and that gives me 36. And let me actually put down the units. 12 inches times 3 of those sets will give you 36, and then that's a yard. Okay, nice job. Okay, that means that we can move on with our lives here in math class. I need you guys to go back to task 3.2. I need you to continue to work on that. If for some reason you missed the video, the class from 423, please watch it. I set this up in detail. I go through all 5 of the stations. There are about 8 attachments, including the video, to set up the task, but we do not have any submissions yet. So before we could discuss and analyze, I do need you to submit your work. Please take the rest of this time. We have about 22 minutes. Work on this task, please. How do I do station 5? Okay, let's take a look and see what we said about station 5. Oh, okay, for station 5. Station 5, the video that I attached simply shows you what a graduated cylinder is going to look like. I wanted you guys to have an idea. I also, if you take a look, I'll show you the actual task. If you do not have a graduated cylinder or your family does not want you using the little bit of salt that you might have, I'm going to show you what I gave you in the description of the assignment that helps you with station 5. I just need a minute to get to Google Classroom on my iPad. It's going to take a minute. I think I actually have to sign in as well. So just a moment, please. If you guys forgot anything like this, you could always go, okay, that's fine. I figured most people are not going to have it. So I gave you some important information. If you open up the assignment instructions, it's going to tell you how many milliliters matches with a teaspoon. And that will get rid of the problem of not having the graduated cylinder to fill. Mathematically, you'll be able to okay. Okay. All right, so let's see. Can you see that okay? This is in the actual instructions, and it says for station 5, 5 milliliters is about 1 teaspoon. So in the instructions, I give you, like if you were actually able to do this experiment with the graduated cylinder and the teaspoons, one of your teaspoons that you dump into the graduated cylinder would actually make it reach about the 5 milliliter mark. And with that information, you can decide how many are going to fill, how many teaspoons would you need to fill it to the 20 milliliter mark, the 40 milliliter, or the 50 milliliter mark, okay? And then I think it's going to ask you more later on. Yes. Yes. In question, like if you continue to the task, question number 5 is going to ask you more questions about that. So you'll need that information again. Okay, no problem at all. That's why we're doing it like this instead. Okay, cool. Oh, completely forgot to put the light on because there's too much glare right now. A little bit. Okay, if anybody has any other questions about the task, please let me know. Hello, Emily. Minus that there. Emily, do you know what we're working on, dear? Do you need any guidance or have any questions? I finished 3.2. Okay, Alex, if you submit it, I will take a look at it. Before you submit it, will you do me a big favor and at the top of the paper, just type if you are okay with me sharing your work with the class, because I'm going to need a few volunteers to allow me to show students and discuss the work with them. And Alex, if you'd like, you can start the homework problems to give them a try. But you don't have to submit it yet because I want you to have the benefit of going over 3.2 with us before finishing and submitting homework problems. Oh, okay. Well, then just tell me here, and I'll make a note of it. Are you okay if I share some of your responses with the class the next time we go over it, when we're ready to discuss and analyze? Okay, great. Thank you. Now, as far as your video goes, because it's a shame if you've lost that video. Do you know, do you have a folder on your Chromebook with all your documents? And I mean the ones that are saved on the Chromebook, not the ones on the drive. Or maybe it doesn't save anything on the Chromebook. Maybe everything is on the drive. Did you look in your drive for the video? You looked on your drive, but you couldn't find it. All right, give me a minute. Okay, how about this? Alex, when you started the recording, I'm assuming that you clicked on your camera or something like that. Would you go there to see if there is some type of file folder in the camera app or some kind of recording app that your Chromebook is using? Okay, open that up to see if you can find. As a matter of fact, open it up and then send me a picture of that so that I could see if there's an icon where if you click on it, you'll see your recording files. Because I'm assuming it's there. And what happened? Emily, did you leave us already? You say hi and then you dip out? What's going on, Emily? What, miss? I went to eat. Okay, I was wondering if you knew what we were working on or if you had any questions. It's 12 o'clock already? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. This went by a little too fast. All right, guys. I can take last minute questions, and Alex, I'll wait for your picture, and then I can email you my response. It is 12 o'clock, and you guys may have another class. I'm not sure. I'll hang tight for another 2 minutes to see if anybody has any last minute questions, but if not, I will see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. if you have any makeup work to complete or any questions. If not, and you're all caught up, then I will see you Thursday at 11 a.m. Okay? I'll just wait in case there's any last minute questions. Okay, bye Alex, bye Jaden. So Emily, bye Mr. Casamento. Just waiting to see if Emily or Alana have any questions, and then I'll stop. When is your next stream today? I have office hours for 8th grade at 1:30 p.m. All right. See you, Mr. Casamento. I'll stop now because the girls didn't ask any questions.